How does it taste?
I'm loving it. Okay.
How do you describe
It's awesome.
crunchy?
Crunchy. Crickets are good. Okay, what's the next one? This is nothing, yeah? These are not living beings. So this is all crickets, yeah? Okay. So I don't need to go through all of that, yeah? Okay, so the next one is the...
Silkworms.
Oh, sorry. Silkworms. So it's a worm. Yeah? Yeah?
In your mouth. How is it?
I don't like this.
Why?
This is mushy inside.
Juicy?
Okay? Okay, I'm gonna follow it down with a cricket. That was good. No, silkworm, no. Silkworm, not a good friend. Okay, what is next?
Grasshopper?
What?
Yeah, the grasshopper.
Surely I don't have to eat the whole thing of the grasshopper. Can
No, it starts with the legs.
legs? But I'm panicking a little now. So if I just chew up this part, does it count?
Remove the legs. Just remove the legs. You don't want the legs to be stuck in your throat.
Oh, there's an ant on it. That's cooked as well. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Removing all the legs. Isn't the head going to make me sick or something? No.
No.
Okay, so I just put it in my mouth and eat this as well.
Yes. Put it in your tongue first. On
Why
your
am I
tongue.
grossed out by the ant? I don't get it. Ant is the
On your
easiest.
tongue first. On your tongue. Hold.
Hey,
Eat it.
I can't believe we didn't take a picture of me with the big legs. We forgot about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I eat the whole thing. Seriously, it's
Yes.
not gonna taste foul.
No.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Uh,
Eat it. Eat it. How is it?
it's okay.
Crunchy?
Mhm.
Juicy?
Mm. I have a problem with juicy. I realize that. Give me a cricket.
Follow by a cricket.
Chaser.
Let's have another cricket.
Crickets are good. Good shit. Here's another. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
For the other cricket, I'm not gonna eat because I've had enough cricket. I just want a picture with the
The grasshopper, you mean?
grasshopper. Sorry, I don't know why I confused. So how should I put it in my mouth so that you see the actual legs?
On profile? Like. Yeah, head first. You can put.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna eat the second grasshopper. That would just be bad.
You already go.
Dun,
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 dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
Wait, put it in your mouth first with the legs.
Okay.
I like side view.
Side view, yeah. Profile.
Okay, so just a theoretical question. Isn't a bug like this full of shit?
No.
Did they clean it off its shit? No.
Just remove the legs.
Remove the legs?
Yes, 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 yes.
It's the ant!
It's dead!
Why
All of the ants are cooked.
Of all, it's the ant that freaks me out. I always think it's alive. Okay, so do I also remove this little kitty pancel? It's called
No, 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 no.
in Hungarian.
No.
So the rest I just eat. How about these little thighs that it has? I eat all those as well. It's not gonna be juicy, is it?
I don't know. No, it's going to be crunchy.
Oh, it's empty. I shouldn't have looked.
What? Can I see? Can I see? Show.
No. I shouldn't have looked. I totally shouldn't have looked. Oh my god. Do I have to swallow this or can I just...
Swallow it.
Do you think I can chew the whole thing? No, wait. Do I... I'm losing it. What happens with the eyes? Can I eat the eye?
Chew it.
Okay. Oh no, it's hard. Okay. Mmm. This is nasty. No. This was really nasty. Oh my god.
How is it?
I thought there was something on me. Thought there was an ant on me. I think I just chewed on the eye.
Chew it. Chew it well.
It's just
Ketchup?
Soy sauce?
nah. You're telling me.
No, no. Paprika.
I got paprika. We could stew this up in. Mm. Austrians would eat it with bacon.
How about the Germans?
Mm. I don't know, man.
With bratwurst.
With cabbage. Mind you, I'm still chewing. This one really doesn't want to go down. Oh my god. Give me a cricket. Oh.
Still?
Yeah. As I'm chewing, I'm imagining what I'm... Okay. I'm gonna go down now.
Ah.
Mm. It's a drink. Okay to drink a little, no?
Yep.
So dry. It's like eating branch.
After one day.
No, it's slowly. So what was the bet? What do I get if I eat all of this?
No.
Proteins.
Just not another silkworm. You guys eat all the silkworm after that. Then I make the video. Okay, almost. This is not a food orgasm.
Everything out? I mean, in? Still.
It was a big
That
fucker.
was, that was a big one.
Ooh, okay.
Tongue
So
out?
okay, so now I have to eat an ant.
Yes.
Let me just finish with the cricket. And that's it, yeah? That was all the categories.
Yes.
Is it a roach or?
Okay, I'll finish. It's a
You
simple.
already ate the baby roach.
Baby roach. What is a baby roach?
Like that one?
Like that one on the floor.
Okay, so I tried everything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm such a cool boy.
Yay!
Yay!
you.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
This-
It was an experience.